Come test drive the 2020 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
With Honda Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.